Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you some of the things that I got from Purplle.com, from the Purplle Beauty Carnival that's going on. I've got a bunch of things to show to you guys. The Purplle Beauty Carnival is on till the 27th of June 2021 and I'm going to leave the dates over here. All the products that I'm going to show to you guys, I'm going to unbox them all over here with you guys. So the links will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to check them out, and I'm also going to share swatches with you guys of all the products. So without further ado, let's get started. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all of my new videos. And now let's get started. The first product that I have is this aloe vera gel, a multi-purpose aloe vera gel from Good Vibes. Let me just open it and show you what the texture inside is. Aloe vera gel, as we all know, is a very useful thing, a very useful product when it comes to your beauty routine. You can use it in a lot of ways. Use it just as a moisturizer, use it under your sunscreen, and you can use it on your hands, on your legs. You can also use it mixed with other things, and it works as a face pack also. So you can also use it on your hair. So one product, one aloe vera gel does a lot of things. Let's see what this one looks like. This is the packaging. It has a gel, a clear gel. There is no color, nothing to it, and there we go. It also has a very mild, I think, natural fragrance only. Aloe vera gel is also very useful for anybody who has acne or irritated skin. This is a very soothing product, so I'm really excited to try this one out in a lot of ways. Next is another gel. This is the orange gel. Orange, as we all know, has a lot of vitamin C and it is full of antioxidants. It is really good for brightening your skin, and it is also great for people with very oily skin. So this, again, I'm going to show you. It has a light yellowish color to it, and again, this is the texture. Smells so fresh, very refreshing. I think it is going to be great as a night gel, a night cream for somebody, a night skincare product for somebody with very oily skin. Very refreshing, very light, and it is also going to control oiliness on your face. Next, I have with me the Papaya Brightening Face Wash. It comes in a pump packaging like this. I'm really sorry for my daughter's blabbering in the background. She's just not leaving me alone today. Please don't mind. Okay, coming back to the Papaya face wash. This again is a brightening face wash. The products have no parabens, no mineral oil. This is the texture and consistency of the product. It has this gel-like texture, which I'm sure is going to be really soothing on the skin. Next, I have a brightening sleeping mask with papaya from Good Vibes again. I picked up a lot of products for them, and this is my first time. Oh, okay, interesting. That's the tub. It has the mask, the sleeping mask. So it's basically something that you apply on your face and then you go to sleep. It has papaya, which is good for brightening. This is the texture, and it feels very smooth. Has a nice papaya based fragrance, which I really like. So this Papaya Brightening Sleeping Mask, as the name says, is good for those who are looking for brightening their skin, for removing acne marks and spots or whatever marks you have on your face. And generally it feels very hydrating on the skin, but it doesn't feel very oily. The texture is light, and it got absorbed easily. So I'm really going to use this one. I'm really looking forward to using this one because I think it is going to work well with my oily skin. Next, I have two serums from Good Vibes again. One is the vitamin C and B3 serum. This is for glowing skin. Next one is the Rosehip serum. I've been wanting to use a Rosehip serum or a Rosehip product in my skincare for a really long time because I know it helps remove marks and evens out your skin tone. This is the Rosehip serum that we have. I'm going to quickly show you guys, and this is the Rosehip serum. It feels very light, nothing heavy. It's not an oil, it's a serum, so it's lighter in consistency, and very easy to spread on your skin, and I think it will get absorbed quickly. So anybody who has acne marks, or if you have any marks or spots on your skin, anywhere on your skin, you can apply this one, and on top of that you can apply your moisturizer and go to sleep, and this is going to get you clear, bright skin. Next is the vitamin C and B3 mask. Vitamin C and B3, they are known to lighten your skin pigmentation. So if you're looking at brightening your skin, or if you have any tanning on your skin, this is the product that I will recommend. Vitamin C, as we all know, is rich in antioxidants, and it is going to be great for your skin. It is a runny water-based mask. As you can see, it got absorbed completely into my skin. Next, I have a Rosewater from Alps Goodness. This is a tiny travel sized packaging that I have. Next, I have this Haldi and Chandan soothing pack from Vayam. I'm going to show this also to you guys. So it comes in a metal packaging like this, and that's the product inside. It also has a spatula inside, a wooden spatula. And I like that they've packed the product in two parts, like two halves. I've taken some of the Haldi Chandan pack in a bowl like this one, and I'm going to mix it with this rose water that I've already shown to you guys. Few drops of this. I'm going to use this wooden spatula and mix everything. And this is the mask. The mask is clay and chandan based, so it is very soothing. I can already feel that my skin is feeling very cool over here. It is great for those with oily, acne prone skin and irritated skin. So if you have acne, you can definitely use this one, and it is going to calm your skin down. All of the products that I've shown to you guys in this video, they're going to be linked in the description box down below, and you can buy these and many other products from Purplle.com. The links are going to be in the description box down below. So that was all from my side on my Purplle Beauty Carnival haul. The sale is on till the 27th of June, so make sure you make the best of it. I'm also going to leave details about the special offers over here, so don't forget to make the best use of all of these offers. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel for more, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye.